What if Earth became a magnet, like a fridge? Not a weak compass kind of magnet, an actual giant bar magnet. North at the top, south at the bottom. And suddenly the planet's magnetic field is strong enough that everything metallic starts to notice. First sign, your compass goes insane. Second sign, the street goes insane. Cars twitch, street poles creak. Mailboxes scoot across the sidewalk like they're late for work. Even small metal stuff, keys, coins, tools, starts sliding toward whatever direction the field is pulling. Then transportation gets scary. Inside a train, the whole car jolts like it hit an invisible speed bump. Outside the window, buildings, cars, even metal statues begin drifting, then flying, as if the city itself is being vacuumed into a giant magnetic belt. And it's not just on the ground. Look up. Planes tilt off course. Jets struggle to correct. Satellites start dropping like loose screws. Even steel clouds, dust and metallic particles, begin clumping together and drifting toward Earth, like the sky is turning into a scrapyard storm. People try to fight back. They grab onto railings, benches, anything heavy. Some cling to metal objects. Bad idea, because the metal is what the planet wants most. You pull, it pulls harder. The magnetic force doesn't negotiate. It just wins, quietly and constantly. Nature doesn't escape either. Trees bend and rip out of the ground as roots snap like string. Birds flap like crazy but can't stabilize. Animals stumble as metal-rich soil and debris shifts underneath them. And if there's any metal nearby, tags, collars, fences, everything gets pulled into motion. In cities, it becomes a full collapse. Metal frames in buildings strain and twist. Rebar inside concrete starts pulling in weird directions, cracking walls from the inside. Cars lift, streetlights bend, bridges groan. People hide in whatever's left, while the city's metal skeleton tears itself apart. Eventually, the planet becomes a disaster magnet. Massive chunks of metal rip free, collide, and explode into shrapnel. The ground turns into a moving conveyor belt of debris. People slide helplessly, unable to stand. Above them, metal fragments orbit like deadly bees, until the world stops looking like a world. So what happens if Earth becomes a magnet like a fridge? The world we know doesn't survive. Civilization collapses, ecosystems break, and the sky literally falls apart. We'd be left searching for ways to adapt, but with a force this strong, it might already be too late to change anything.